Hey guys, today we will be photographing this tomato. Why? I show you that simple setup to photograph this tomato. I will be explaining you how work the lights, the basic about the lights. We use the camera, we use the tomato for explain how work lights, and one lamp, artificial light, what is in the back with the softbox. I will be recording everything on tether cable, what is more easy to work. Let's go. If you are a photographer, you know the lights is everything. You must to understand the basic, how work the lights, what you have the type of the lights, like you have natural lights, artificial lights, you have lights backward, side, front lights, that or the top lights. You have a lot of different type of the lights. If you understand how work, you will be easy work with artificial light like this lamp, Godox SL150. We use this lamp today with softbox to photograph this tomato and explain you how to work the lights. First, like you see, I lock her because here I have big window. I lock these windows, block the lights from windows, because when you work with artificial light, you don't want to mix the lights, because the lights outside can be different temperature. The mixed two lights is not good. The same if you photograph something and you use two lamps, automatically you will have two shadows on your photo. If you put a lamp from one side and another side, you will have two shadows, one from this, one from this. You can work with this. Of course, you can use two lights, set up everything perfect and have one shadows. I show you later what you can use. If you work only with that one light, like we work here, and you will have one shadow, no two shadows. I use today this lamp Godox. It's continuous light, like you see on my few videos. It's continuous lights, and I always work on continuous light. And we will be use today one softbox. What I use on this lamp, I set up now on this lamp. And you see, it's not so hard. We start as lights. One moment. And straight away is like, I can put these lights a little up, it's better for me. Will be better to see. Like you see, we have tomato here. As lights is backlight, I use these backlights. 45 degrees is not straight away, it's completely in the back. It's like 45 degrees. The lights. We use camera with the tether cable, but straight away I will see everything on my computer, and straight away see how change the lights, how work the lights, and I will be explaining you that how work here with the lights. When we take first shoot for that composition what we have here, straight away what we see, as camera is too bright, change the parameter, give the dark, what I can see the shadows. I check the focus, take the photo, we'll see. Like you see, shadows is this side here on the tomato opposite. When I move my lights for the here front, backside the lights, we take the shoot. Like you see, the lights change, opposite is more bright the tomato, and lights is opposite. But if we move as lights for the front and take another shoot with the front, we'll see what's happened. As the lights completely change, it's a completely different position. When we move as lamp, little different, and take another shoot, the same. As tomato is more bright here, the front, the back is more shadow, like you see on the photo. That's back now for the back the lights. Like you see on this photo what I take now, we have here the front, the tomato, we have the shadows. And this is the perfect shoot for the back. This tomato is bright here and here is the shadows. Like you see in this setup, we have lights in the back. And shadow is this side. But, you know, this is my secret weapon. It's so expensive things, cost like £3 maybe. And you put here the white card opposite, lights bounce on the card and go or your tomato and straight away make more bright. I take the photo, show you. Straight away your tomato looks more bright from the front. And you don't have second shadows, because when you use this whiteboard, we have only still one little shadows, no two shadows. When you use another lamp, you will have two shadows. That is amazing things when you work with this whiteboard. If you use backlights, you use one side lights and front side, your shadows change. All the time your shadow travel. Where you put the lights, opposite will be your shadow. That's you must work with the lights. A basic understand the lights is understand the shadows. Where is the shadows? We straight away we know where is the lights, which side coming the lights. That is the basic to understand the lights. Another things is like the type of the lights. You can photograph different things with different type of the lights. With the backlights, it's amazing to show the texture, like you photography soup, drinks. You want to show the texture, like you styling something on the plate, and you want flat lay photography to do, you use backlight. It's perfect type of the lights for that type of the photography. Show nice the product. When you want to photography drinks, you want to do the foggy, like from the hot drinks, use backlights. It's perfect. Front like 45 degrees and side is perfect for everything photography. But one mistake is if you use completely front, you put where I have camera and you put here your lights, your photo will be really flat. Don't have the shadows and will be not interesting. And this is one mistake what each photographer do. Like try for beginning, put the lights front of the subject what photography and think what is wrong with my photo. I amazing styling everything, amazing setup everything. I chose good ingredients, good background, everything. I chose the lights what I think will be work, but doesn't work. Something look flat. And this is the lights, the position where you put the lights. Always experiment, use different the lights, like I show you now. If we switch off these lights now for a few minutes and we remove the softbox, from this, and now we start make the lights. We have really bright lights. We have like lights what looks like sunlight, and shadow is so hard. We can put the lamp down. You have longer shadows straight away. We take the photo. Check how it looks on as computer. And really looks like the shadows you have and looks like sunny day. If you move these lights here, the same is better to understand how looks the photo. Of course, I have little too bright the photo. I change my aperture, make darkness. Now we take back first with this. Now we move the lamp, is here. Another lights completely changed. The shadows travel. Where you move the lights, the shadows travel is different position. Like you see, change. Always you must to understand this, work with the lights. This is amazing lights what you want to have in your photography when you do sunny day. You want to have sunny day, you want to have strong light, you want to work with harsh light. This is perfect. Don't use any modificator light, but you can use this modificator light. What is reflector? You use the reflector and straight away you have more shadows, like looks like little double, but its direction, your lamp is straight away on this tomato. Don't go lights around, go only on tomato and more focus on your tomato. Like you see, it's more bright. You can go up, down with the lamp, but direction is on your tomato. You can change this position, the lamp, more and more strong. That is like we take one shot to show you how it looks, and it's more bright and more focused, like you see on the photo. It's too bright. We change parameter a little and I show you now. Oh, photo looks beautiful, it's sharp. The photo looks more dark, more harsh with this reflector. Another things what I didn't say you, what we use today. I use the background what you have from company Club Backdrop. Company is in Poland, have a lot of nice background. You can find a lot of different vinyl. This is handmade background, amazing for photography. The all information about company you find in link below, but the camera what we use today is Canon 7D Mark II, but the most important is lens. I use the most cheap lens today is 50mm Canon 1.8, but the setup parameter what we use today is ISO 400, aperture is 5, and shutter speed is 2000 for this shoot. But what I want to say, this is everything what we use. We use tether cable connection for your camera. Straight away I see how looks the shoot, is sharp or not. It's easy to work with this. I really recommend. But remember, the lights, work with the lights. You must to only manage your lamp, where you want put and where is your shadows. If you want soft light, you're using modificator lights. If you want harsh light and have that photo like sunny day, you use your lamp without any modificator the lights. This is the basic what I want to tell you about the lights. And always when you use this lamp and do the photo, to switch off any lamp around, because you don't want to mix the lights and have white balance will be yellow. Your photo will be yellow or orange. It's not good. That remember, we work only with these lights.